Joe's back home. Oh, collision. Same player, no need to fight him. Same team. There you go, take it away from the big guy. Keep trying, David, good boy. Scrum. Scrum. There you go. Jojo, go get it, baby. Just park yourself right in front. There you go. Come on. Hit him with the pass. Joe! Oh, baby. I liked what he did, though. Parked himself right in front of the net and waited. Oh, hey. Hey. Well, if it was a girl, he'd fight her, too. If it was a boy. Nice, Joseph. Just took it away from the instructor. I like it. I like it. He's in the scrum. Let's see what our little man can do. Digs it out. Nice. As soon as the instructor gets it, every kid is banging on the ice. Give me the ball! Give me the ball! Alright. Oh, we got a whistle. Solid shift for the young Moran.